Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurma Yolanda, and today I want to explain about recount text. And the first, I want to permit that I will use Indonesian language. Di slide pertama ini, definition of recount text. Recount text is a text which retell events or experience in the past. Recount text ini adalah teks yang menceritakan kembali peristiwa atau pengalaman di masa lalu. Second slide, the purpose of recount text. The purpose is to inform or to entertain the audience about experiences the past. Jadi tujuannya adalah untuk memberikan informasi atau menghibur penonton-penonton tentang pengalaman-pengalaman di masa lalu. Nah, ini generic structure. Generic structure ini ada 3. Jadi recount text ini dibagi 3. Yang pertama orientation, events, dan reorientation. Nah, ini selanjutnya akan dibahas tentang ketiga ini. Yang pertama ini orientation. Orientation itu introduction of the story. Itu pembukaan dari story-nya itu. Nah, yang kedua ini dari events. Yang kedua events. Events is tell what happened in the chronology order. Jadi events ini inti dari ceritanya yang menceritakan tentang kronologi yang ada di cerita itu. Yang ketiga itu yang terakhir reorientation, closing of the story. Jadi penutup story itu. Nah, ini ada salah satu contoh dari recount text. Nah, ini judulnya itu A Trip to Holiday. Last year, at the end of the year, my family and I decided to spend our holiday at Pahawang Island, Bandar Lampung. When we arrived at the beach, we were surprised to see the beautiful view of the beach. After having a quick dip in the ocean, which was really cold and windy, we realized that there were not many people there. We thought that it happened because it was too windy there during that time, but we finally realized that it was Christmas holiday. So almost all of the tourists who are used to spending time there went back to their country. After spending few time swimming in the beach, we bought some hot chips at the takeaway store nearby, and we rode our bike down the beach for a while. On the hard damp part of the sand. The next day we visit Labuan Jukun Beach. There were amazed to see the high wave owned by this beach, because it was so high that nobody was brave enough to surf on in that time. The third day there we decided to go home. When we finally made it back home, we were both finally exhausted because of the trip, but we were so happy to travel such an amazing beach. Lampung Province. Nah, contoh tadi itu orientation. Bagian orientation ini last year at the end of the year my family and I decided to spend our holiday at Pahawang Island, Bandar Lampung. Nah, ini pembukaan dari satu cerita tadi. Nah, ini paragraf yang kedua, ketiga, dan keempat itu adalah event. Event adalah inti dari ceritanya yang menjelaskan tentang kronologi dari cerita itu. Nah, ini bagian reorientation. Reorientation ini adalah penutupan dari cerita itu sendiri. Terima kasih, sekian penjelasan dari saya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.